Good morning, student. Myself Kher Singh from Jyotri Academy. Today we will discuss class 9th subject SST Economics chapter 2nd Pupil as a Resource. Firstly, we discuss the quality of the population. Quality of population means when any person or the large group of the people have been more and more literate, more and more healthy, and their life expectancy and their skill must be enhanced. This is due to only the different types of factors, just like education, health. So quality of population depends upon the literacy rate, health of a person, indicated by life expectancy and skill formation acquired by the people of the country. If the people have been more and more quality, if the population have been more and more healthy, education will take more and more, thereafter definitely the growth of the nation will be increased. So it will be depend on the two factors, education and health. More and more education will be provided at the childhood, thereafter the health will be good, the health of a person will be good, thereafter they have been more and more potential and the ability to fight illness. Healthy people can do anything. Health does not mean survive only. It involves not a physical fitness. Health means mental, economic, and social well-being. So, quality of population are depend on the education, health, social welfare, and the economic condition. So, it is very important that the quality of population will be more and more better. Thereafter, the advantage of education. Advantage, no doubt, education have been provided more and more advantage. That's why we will take the education. Education help not individual to better use of economic opportunity. It also develop different types of thinking skills, different types of ability. Those have been better for the understanding of the every problem have been solved. Education and skill are the major determinants of the earning of. If you have been educated and skilled, thereafter you earn more and more. If and education contribute, if the more and more people have been educated, definitely that the growth of a country and the growth of the society will be more and more. So education enhance the national income, cultural richness, and efficiency of governance. It will be helpful for the growth of the nation. National income will be enhanced, and the every person have been more and more rich, and the efficiency, the government have been provide the benefits to the person, and all the people can be adopt easily. So different types of steps by taken to promote education in India. Government have been taken different types of education steps. That's why every child, not a single child is left without education. So government has been taken a step to promote universalization of education, means everywhere the education will be reached. Vocational streams have been developed to metric students. It will be start the vocational training, means it is not a single self, it is not a only education, uh, it is a vocational streams. It will be helpful for job. So government have been started different types of skills and other development programs. Navodaya Vidyalaya developed in each district. That's why free education will be taken there. The student can live there and will take a better and better education by the a specialized teacher, or they have been more and more effective teachers. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan launched to those students have been 6 to 14 years. They will take by the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. It will be government started in 2010, and all these students will be take the benefit of this Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Mid-day meal scheme will be implemented to government school. That's why the students are coming in that particular school and take the food, nutrition, and they have been also beneficial. They read and take food also. So advantage of education, will be you have been literate, and you will take education, and skill and knowledge will be enhanced, the growth of the society will be improved, national income and efficiency of government will be enhanced. Okay, thank you very much.